Welcome back to the topic Principles of Inheritance and Variation. In the last video, we discussed meaning and types of the linkage, whereas in this video, we'll try to understand linkage by taking two examples. I have made examples as cross A and cross B. To understand the linkage, we should know that genes which are said to be linked will be present in close association with each other, and the genes which undergo recombination will be present far away from each other. So let's try to cross two organisms, a female Drosophila with a male Drosophila. Let's fix the phenotype of the female Drosophila as yellow body with white eye, and it is crossed with wild type. Wild type will have a brown body and a red eye. So if we do this cross in F1, we will get a female wild type, because the Y and the W which are there in the female parent are a recessive character, whereas Y raised to plus and W raised to plus are the dominant character. So now here in the female chromosome we got Y raised to plus and W raised to plus. So female became a wild type, whereas the male is with YW, so the male will be yellow white. Now if this F1 is allowed for selfing, then F2 we will get in the following ratio. So we are going to get wild type male, then we are going to get a white male, and then we are going to get the yellow white male, and then we'll get a yellow male, and then we'll get a third offspring as that is wild type. In this second one we'll get a white type of the female, and then the fourth one female we are going to get yellow white, and then we are going to get the next offspring, the last offspring, as a yellow bodied organism. So in this slide I have shown you 8 offsprings, 2 males and 2 females. Okay, 2 males and 2 females. If we compare in both the rows, and if we see the parental combination appear to 98.7%, whereas recombinant will appear only to 1.3%. Once again, this example proves that parental type of genes undergo linkage, as they'll be present in close association with each other, whereas recombination will be very less. Let's try to understand once again by taking another example, that is cross B. If the genes are little away from each other, then what happens? So let's take two organisms with white color of the eye and small wings, which is called miniature wing. Female is crossed with the wild type, which is with red eye and a normal wing. So we will get a female wild type in the F1 and male with the white miniature, that is a mutant. Okay, if we allow this F1 to undergo cross, then we will get once again 8 offspring as wild type of male, white miniature male, and then wild type of the female, and then we'll get what is that, white miniature female, and the remaining 4 offsprings will be miniature male, and then we'll get a white male, and then we will get a miniature female, and then we will get a female which is with white color of the eye. Once again I have shown you here in this slide 8 offsprings, where in both 50% of them are males and 50% of them are female. And if you see this blue colored highlighted line, it is showing a parental type which is about a 62.8%. In the previous example it was in 90 plus, whereas now it has become 62.8%, whereas red highlighted one shows a recombination, and recombination is a 37.2%. So these examples confirm that if the genes are present in close association with each other, if the distance between the gene is very less, then they undergo linkage, and if the genes are present little away, or if they are arranged away from each other, associated in a distant relation, then the recombination will increase. So linkage is a character where genes get inherited together, whereas recombination arises due to the crossing over. Some genes in the examples were showing that they were tightly linked, and tightly linked genes will undergo a low amount of recombination. So distance between the genes, if it is less, then the linkage will be more. If the genes are loosely linked, then they undergo higher recombination and distance between them will be more. So this knowledge is required to understand a new branch of the biology, that is biotechnology, to do recombinant DNA technologies. So in this video we understood about linkage with the two more examples, whereas in the next video we will try to discuss linkage map. Thank you, students.